Hello everyone. I've been cooking a lot this morning and I'm really hungry, so I reached in the fridge to see what I have. I'm going to make this funny little omelet, but I think it'll be really enjoyable. It's kind of a sandwich, I'm sorry. So I had a bagel in the freezer, so I took it out and I'm going to toast it in a minute. And I have corned beef in the oven that's almost done. I mean, I'm just like going crazy here, right? So the first thing we need to do, we're going to crack a couple eggs, right? 2 eggs for a bagel is about perfect. Can't show you the rest of the kitchen because it's still a mess from cooking, but so now you get to see how it really works. Of course, I like a little black pepper in my eggs. I like the little speckles. I got out a whisk, but then I was like, you know, the bowl's kind of small. I don't want to dirty up the whisk. So let's just take a fork. The whisk is quieter. That's why I use it. But get this pretty busted up here. Perfect. Just want a little heat under here. Got a little butter all danced around in here. In the sink that goes. Drop my bagel. Yeah, that thing sounds horrible. Oh well. So I want to get a nice kind of start to get a layer of cooked egg on the bottom. I'll show you why. I usually use a bigger pan, but I thought, what the heck? I bought this to make egg foo young, so I better use it for something else because I get egg foo young like every week. I mean, yes, it was only like $6, but just be really careful. Now it's cooking. It's like all percolating in here. Like okay, now, how do we normally do an omelet? We get a little underneath on the edges. So do I do that? just a little more here, so we're going to run it right over this edge, run it off the cliff. So you didn't know that making an omelet can be so much fun. Alright, so what I want to do, I want to make this a little exciting, so I have a little block of cream cheese that I let soften. In fact, I really let it soften. Working on my darn computer this morning. A little video card issue. That Nvidia stuff is great, but it's power hog, man. Alright, so just want a couple little bites of cream cheese. Got a piece of Swiss cheese. So what we're going to do is hold it. Be really thick on their egg for this, but I'll show you how we do it. Whoops. Yeah, beat it up, it's okay. You're not going to hurt it. Just going to start folding it in as it melts. Turn it off because it's hot and done. Hey, come on. Don't fight me, I'm too hungry. So what do I gotta do? Right, let's get my bagel. Ow, 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 ow. And then, I always have something funny sitting around in the house, right? Happens to be, I got some prosciutto, so I'm gonna put a slice. I figured out how to make it just the right size. And there you have a quick little bagel sandwich, all tricked out, really good. Got some cream cheese, Swiss cheese. I need a sharpener. Oh, I have a bread knife. Bagel's toasty. That looked good. Don't you wish you were here? Taking a bite out of that right now. Whew. I can't wait. So like I said, something really quick and easy because I was hungry and I had the camera set up anyways. So, want to do it, keep your interests up, so you keep watching my videos. Love you all. Have a great day. I'm going to see you after I eat this. See you later. Bye.